Precision, control. The BMW F30 already delivers world-class performance, but the Aggressor Cutout system from QuickTime Performance lets you fully experience it. The Aggressor installs with a simple cut and clamp into your factory exhaust. No guesswork and no fabrication headaches. Built from 304 stainless steel and made in the USA, it's engineered for durability, flow, and that unmistakable QTP sound. Designed to handle heat, boost, and everything the B58 can throw at it. Release the emotion of a turbo inline-6 with a push of a button or the flick of a switch. Closed, it's refined and composed. Perfect for your daily routine. Open it up and get raw turbocharged aggression. The best of both worlds. Anytime you want it. The Aggressor series for the BMW F30 by QuickTime Performance. Control your sound. Command your performance.